Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. How are you guys? Hope so you are all doing well in your life and enjoy the best condition of your life. Warmly welcome to my channel where the style meets innovation. In this video, dear viewers, we are diving headfirst into the world of hair fashion, showcasing the hottest and most captivating haircuts that will redefine your look for 2023 and 2024 and beyond. So, dear viewers, get ready to be inspired and discover the haircut that perfectly suits your personality. So, dear viewers, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more style, inspiration, and as always, stay fabulous. Thank you for joining me on this hair journey. I'll, until next time, keep rocking your new haircut and embracing the confidence it brings. So dear viewers, stay stylish, stay trendy with my channel Life with Style and with my today's this video. So dear viewers, if you like my channel, please comment me because your comments are also very valuable for me. So reviewers, by watching my video, adventure take us to the realm of the short and easy haircut ideas by my video. From the timeless Pixie to the edgy symmetrical bob, we will explore how these cuts can accelerate your features, enhance your confidence, and make a statement like never before. So, dear viewers, next up, I will delve into the world of fashion and trendy layered style hairstyle. Find out why the layered haircuts are making a massive comeback in 2023 and 24. I will showcase variations from the suitable to dramatic and add the volume, movement, and a touch of elegance to your hair. So, dear viewers, bob haircuts are undergoing a revolution. Discover the modern twist on the classic bob, including the blunt bob texture. So keep watching my video till end because you can find out the very trendy and stylish haircut ideas for your beautiful and charming hair. So dear viewers, keep watching, stay blessed.